Hi guys. If you missed bio class today, we started our first real module on scientific method and characteristics of life. To get to that module, you just want to click on the module's link in your Canvas homepage. Alright. And here you'll see where I posted the presentation of the scientific method notes. If you were to click on that, you would get access to that notes presentation. Now we did the first 4 slides. Just give me a sec for it to load. Yeah, so this is what the presentation looks for, and we did slides 1 through 4. So we stopped with talking about what a hypothesis is. After we got this far in the notes, I asked the students to complete an assignment using the textbook's website. If you don't know how to get to the textbook's website, I can show you real quick. You want to start off by going to your like North Penn Launchpad, where you have all these different icons. And the icon that will take you to your textbook is this Pearson SAML. Alright, so you're going to click on that. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to a screen that looks something like this. Now, one of the buttons here will say Realize. And you want to click on that button, and then it's going to take you to a screen that looks like a screen that looks like this, where you have 3 options. You can browse, you can look at classes, or you can look at data. All right, in this classes section, that's where you'll see that an assignment is posted for you. The assignment is called Scientific Methodology. So you're going to click on that assignment, and then there's some arrows in the lower right hand corner. You're going to use that to advance through the assignment. It might ask you to write a hypothesis or answer a multiple choice question. But once you get to the end of that assignment, you hit the green check arrow, and then you'll have it submitted. All right, so that's what I need you guys to do if you were absent today. All right, guys, thanks.